Hi, my name is Master Agon with Perfect Balance Martial Arts. With me I have Andre Agon, and today we're doing the first stance in Jiu-Jitsu. Now what that really means is it's a preparedness stance. It's to be ready in case there's a confrontation. So here's the first thing we're doing. So from here, Andre's going to turn around and pretend to be the predator. And Andre, obviously, I'm going to be the one that's going to be defending, and I'm going to be a natural stance. I'm just looking at the individual. All of a sudden, when the person or the predator is coming in, he's going to come in and do a dive at my midsection. I place both my hands, my forearms, to prevent it. So Andre's going to keep on coming towards me, and he can't wrap his arms around me. I put him down, and I'm going to hopefully run away. Next one again, he's going to go on a lower dive. He'll turn around and go to my feet, and again, I'm going to bring him down. So let's show it again, what it might look like in actual speed. So Andre's going to come midsection and bring it down, and then all of a sudden I can turn around and even knee him to make sure that he can't run after me. Next one, he's going to again going down low, and what I'm doing is using my elbows, my forearms, to prevent him from being able to bring his arms around me, is what I'm trying to prevent from happening. Okay, ready, go, Andre, and down, and back up. Excellent. Now, Andre will do the same thing. He's not going to be the defender, and I'm going to be the one attacking. So natural stance, you're not expecting somebody coming in. So all of a sudden, I'm going to come and dive at him. Good job. And he drives me down to the ground. Okay, now from here, I'm going to go for a low dive, trying to take out his legs. So from here, I'm going to surprise him. And again, he brings me all the way down, and then he can knee me up. And all of a sudden, good job. He gets himself out of the situation. Now, the most important thing when it comes to self-defense is, number one, being aware, being prepared, and when you are able to prevent the person from grabbing you, holding on to you, that's your opportunity to possibly run. Again, thank you so much. This is Master Agon with Perfect Balance Tips. Remember, every exercise you do has to have the body, mind, and spirit component. And this is Andre Agon. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.